What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Jessica. If you don't know that already, I love all things makeup and beauty, and I am also a mother, so I do apologize for my children in advance. Today I just was kind of going for like a dark smoky vibe, so if you want to see me create this look, don't forget to like and subscribe, and please continue on watching. Starting as I always do with my P. Louise base in the shade number 2 to prime my eyelids for some shadow. My palette of choice today, the BPerfect Carnival Extra Large Pearl palette. So the first shade that I'm going to take is I'm going to take this gray right here, which is called Vex. So I'm going to take this Makeup Shack T82, and I'm going to start to, you know, put this into my crease. And then I'll buff it out. So I'm going to build the intensity and then just fade it up. Because this is going to be the lightest color, obviously. So we really want it to be smoked out, you know what I'm saying?
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see.
So you just really want to take your time, obviously blending out this shade because it is going to be the lightest shade. This is like where all the blend is going to be, kind of, you know what I mean? So I really took my time to blend this out. Realistically, this took me about 4 minutes to buff and blend out. So yeah, so now that I'm pretty happy with that, I am going to go in with a clean, like super soft, fluffy brush and just very lightly just go over the edges because I do want a nice seamless blend. Next, I'm going to take the black out of the palette, which is called Lights Out. And then I'm going to take this Jessup 231 Luxe Petite Crease Brush. And I'm just going to grab a little bit of the black. I mean, kind of a good amount. And then right where my crease is, so like if you could see, like my natural crease is about right here. Can you see that? Can you see that? Yep. I'm going to lightly start to like pack the black down, but I'm also going to blend it as I go because I don't want it to be like a super harsh line.
From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me.
Okay, so now that that's like pretty laid down, but as you can see, it's not like 100% blended. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna intense over the black and blend it up as pigmented as I want that black to be, and then I'm gonna go back in with the gray to smooth out the edges and make sure everything's seamless.
We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
I mean, I feel like on camera it doesn't look as blended as it actually is, but the black isn't. The black is as intense as I need it to be. So now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take that same brush and just fill in the lid.
To go and take a step back to see the truth around you. From a distance you can tell.
Can you see how just much darker that whole lid is? Okay, so now that I'm more happy with the way that that blended out, I feel like it still looks harsh on camera, but I swear that bitch is blended, alright? I swear. Okay? Okay. So now I'm going to be taking my, ooh, I almost spilled it, my Hank and Henry, it's open, so, I'm going to be taking my, let's see, my Chingona pressed pearls, which is this one right on top, the shimmer. I'm going to put that down first, and then I'm going to take El Jefe, which is the fine glitter in the bottom of it, the loose pearls, and I'm going to put that on top. So first, I'm going to take the black in the top, Chingona, or, you know, I'm white, alright? My bad, my bad. And I'm just going to take it on a flat packing brush, and I'm just going to tap, 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 tap. So, I was going to stop there, right? But, bitch, I'm extra as fuck, and I needed more shimmer, more shine. So that is why I decided to take the loose pearls. I'm going to take my Peaches and Cream glitter base. Just going to take a little dibble dabble of this bad boy, and I'm gonna lay this primer on my lid, and I'm gonna try to keep it just on the lower portion of my lid because I don't want the glitter to go too high. I want the center of the attention to be the glitter for sure, but I don't want my whole eyelid to be covered in glitter. So take that on the same brush. And I'm just tapping everything in. Look at that. One dip. That was one effing dip. So then I'm going to go back in with the first shade, like the first dark shade, the Chingona or whatever. And I'm going to take it on the tip of the brush. Just a little bit of it. And I just want to blend some of this sparkle out. I don't want it to be too harsh. I want it to look seamless. And the Smokeyeye isn't supposed to be perfect. It's supposed to be smoky, blown out. Like shimmer on the lid, but fade into the black of night. That was my goal for this eye look. Definitely not perfection. Definitely not, you know, anything like that. And then I'm going to go ahead and apply my lash. My lash of choice today is going to be the Cavalli lash, and these ones are in the style Kush.
You and me were meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
So my camera may look a little funky because I am up close and there's like dark in the background. My kids keep opening my door. Like I can't, you know, stop it. So I'm gonna take the black from the palette, light out. I just lost my train of thought there. And I'm gonna smoke this out.
Meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
Okay, so now that that's a little bit more smoked out, I'm gonna switch brushes. I'm gonna take Vex, the gray shade, and just start to blend this out a bit. So once I got that gray laid down, I'm going to take the black on the same brush and go back over it. I really want a nice smoked out black moment under my eyes. Okay. Living for that moment right there. So what I think I'm going to do is I'm actually going to take the highlight shade Fair Play, which is this one right at the top, which is white with gold flecks in it. And I'm going to take that and just pack that bitch down. So since my eyes are done, I'm not even going to bother putting mascara on my lower lashes because what is the point? I'm going to go ahead and pop on a lip. So here we have the completed look for you guys. I was going to go in with a black lip just because I feel like that would go really well with this look as well. But I just wanted to show you, like, you know, with a nice nude. Like, it's definitely a beautiful look. Definitely could, you know, wear this for a date or whatever the case may be. So yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and roll the clip.